Okay, I've cut the first router cut, supposedly 1/4 inch in. I just used the base of the router and just drew a couple of, traced a couple of quick arcs, connected them, and then came in 1/4 inch, and it turned out that that's 3 inches in from the edge where I put the guide, and I've run the first cut. So I hope to God this works. There's only one way to find out, and that's to put a test piece on it and see whether or not it slots in the way I want it. So let's see. And so far, I'm not really happy. You little bastard. Wait a minute. Let's give this one a shot. I don't think so. Wait a minute. Hold on. Put this down. Woo, it's tight, but it'll go. All right, and it's going to be exactly on the level I want. So yeah, I think this is going to work. All right, cool. Bye.